Stop scrolling. Master G's in the house. It's real talk time. Ready, crew? Let's roll! Sino bang hindi nakakakilala kay Ivana Alawi? Instagram bombshell, YouTube queen, hindi lang siya nagpapainit ng feed, parang physics experiment ng energy at appeal. Bawat ngiti may gravitational pull, bawat titig may electric charge. At kahit hindi mo siya mahahawakan, ramdam mo ang impact. Born Mariam Al-Alawi noong Pasko sa Bahrain, half Moroccan, half Pinay, all fire. Lumaki sa hirap ng Quiapo, nagbenta ng pabango, nagbuhos ng pawis, pero ngayon, digital royalty. From humble hustle to social media empress, 38 million Facebook followers. She snatched the crown from primetime Queen Marian Rivera like a boss. No contest, 11 million on Instagram for every glow-up, 22 million on TikTok, where every wink is a weapon, 19 million on YouTube, top creator, 2 years straight at oo kahit sa politika napasok ang pangalan. Congressman dito, mayor doon, pero gaya ng tunay na reyna, she stayed silent, classy, unbothered. Let them talk. I'm busy building my empire. The stats don't lie. 5'2", 54 kilos of pure fire. Measurements 34, 26, 35. Isang hourglass na ginuhit ng mga bathala, pinakintab ng tadhana. Best new female TV personality. Top 4 most beautiful faces of 2021. CEO ng Ivana Skin, beauty with brains and big business moves. Pero beyond the numbers and curves, may cred, may grit, may puso. From vlog chaos to red carpet slay, Ivana is the ultimate real talk, real girl, matapang, resilient, at radiating heat na parang divine intervention. Pag-ibig ba ito o himala ng tadhana? At sa dulo ng lahat ng views at ingay, isa lang ang malinaw. Hindi basta ganda, may tapang sa likod ng kilay. Mula Quiapo hanggang Spotlight, si Ivana hindi umilag sa laban, one blink, one break, one boss move at a time. Yan ang tunay na kwento. Real Talk with Master G. Like, share, subscribe.